Hello everyone, this is Sabrina with Sabrina's Crafty Home Decor. This is some kind of a box, or I think it was some kind of a drawer actually, that I picked up from Goodwill, and I sanded it down to take off the finish, and now I'm giving it 2 good coats of Burnt Umber by Apple Barrel. 1 coat wasn't quite enough. And I don't know about you, but I like to use puppy pads for underneath my projects. As you can see, it made it super easy for me to flip my project around, as well as protecting my table from the paint. And now I'm just using my heat tool to dry it. I picked this heat tool up from Amazon, I believe. And now I'm taking a tea light candle and I'm rubbing the wax all over the entire box. And I'm giving it a really good coat. We're going to give this a chipped paint look, so it takes a nice thick coat of wax. And now I'm taking Waverly Cashew chalk paint, and I'm painting that over the wax. Just 1 coat is plenty, and you don't have to get it thoroughly saturated, as we're going to take some of that paint off anyway to give it a chip paint look. So I started to use a scouring pad, but it just wasn't giving it the look I wanted, so I switched to this stainless steel scrub pad. And I'm just using it to take off some of the cashew paint and to give it that chip paint look. And then here I'm using a paintbrush and water along the edges of this rice paper that I picked up at decoupagecentral.com. as torn edges blend in to your craft a lot better than a straight edge does. So I gave the bottom a good coat of Mod Podge, and then carefully laid the rice paper down and smoothed it out to be sure there's no wrinkles or bubbles. And then I put a top coat of Mod Podge over the rice paper to seal it. Now here I've drilled 2 holes into the top of the box, and I weeded some wire through it to attach that dried vines at the top. And this is a glass bottle I had. It looks like a barrel, so I am giving it a coat of Burnt Umber by Apple Barrel, and I'm drying it. And then giving it a second coat. Some of the glass you could still see. So we want to cover that glass thoroughly. And now I'm putting a little bit of that Burnt Umber on the bottle in different areas, and then I'm sprinkling cinnamon and paprika and pressing those down into the wet paint. And that's going to give our barrel a rust look. And here I am hot gluing some moss to the bottom, and I picked this moss up at Walmart. And I picked those dried vines up at Temu. And here off screen I played around with it till I got a design I wanted. Now I'm hot gluing everything into place. These sunflowers I picked up at Temu, and as well as the wheat. And no, the wheat I picked up at Amazon, but the dried flowers on the left there that I'm hot gluing into place, or palms, dried flowers and palms, I picked up I ordered from Temu. And then on the right, I filled our barrel up with moss, the same moss that's hot glued to the bottom there. And I filled it with dried baby's breath and dried lavender that I ordered from Temu. And now I'm going to take some black felt that I picked up from Walmart. I think it was like 65 cents a sheet. And I'm hot gluing that black felt to the back here, which I'll finish off camera. I just wanted you to see. And then here's our finished craft. Pretty simple and pretty quick craft. I love how the barrel turned out. So it's pretty simple and super cute. If you liked my video, please be sure to subscribe, then click on the bell, then click on all, so that you will get notified whenever I post a new craft. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.